Advantages and disadvantages of a colonial-style home. Hello friends, colonial-style homes have a traditional elegance that is bold and beautiful. Original colonial-era homes were built from the early 1600s to the late 1800s and had strong European characteristics. They are usually 2 stories high and have grand front entrances with dull columns. Even though modern colonial-style homes have elaborate features, the overall design can seem overly formal for some residents. Room to spare. Size is no issue for colonial-style homes. Original colonial homes were built to house large families and accommodate household staff, so they had an incredible amount of square footage. Many modern colonial-style homes aren't as big as their predecessors, but they offer generous living space. Due to their 2- and 3-story construction, they provide multiple bedroom options and several areas for socialization. When you need a large home to fit your family's needs, a colonial-style house might be the perfect fit. Appealing architectural features. Look no further if you want a house that has automatic curb appeal. Colonial-style homes are detailed, aesthetic, and well-proportioned. Many have tall white columns, balconies, large windows, elaborate front entrances, and lengthy front porches. The front door is usually located in the center of the home with even numbers of windows and columns on either side, creating a uniform and symmetric appeal. There is usually only a slight pitch to the roof, so the facade isn't hidden by shadows or overhanging areas. Standard ceilings. Many colonial-style homes have standard 8-foot ceilings to accommodate upper levels. Standard ceilings are disadvantageous for homeowners who enjoy tall ceilings and skylights. Some colonial-style home builders construct entryways with vaulted ceilings to give the house a more open feel, but the symmetric construction of the floor plan leaves little room for vaulted ceilings in other areas, especially on the first floor. A standard ceiling height also limits light fixture options, such as dangling chandeliers and drop ceiling fans. Undesirable separation. Even though colonial-style homes are generally large and spacious, the uniform multi-level architectural design often forces living areas to be divided into several small rooms, rather than one large one. For example, the living room is often on one side of the entryway and the dining room on the other. The kitchen is often separate from the living room and the dining room. Some families prefer a great room or oversized living room, which isn't always possible with colonial design elements. Residents must also climb stairs to reach second stories and upper levels, which aren't always convenient. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.